Hey guys, I am Komal Dholaria. Today we will study about the domestic electrical appliance. First of all, what is a domestic electrical appliance? Home appliance are also known as a domestic appliance. Are electrical machines that help in household function such as cooking, cleaning and food preservation. List of domestic appliance. First one is electrical iron, fan, air conditioner, toaster, electrical mixer, and last one is grinder. Then in this presentation we can study about the construction and working of electrical iron. First of all, working principle of electrical iron is that the electrical iron work on the heating principle. When the current I flow from the heating element for a specified period T, then the I square RT heat is produced in it. This heat will be transferred to the base plate, which is then pressed over the cloth to be ironed. The electrical iron available from 450 watt to 1500 watt capacity. Types of electrical iron. There are three types of electrical iron. First one is non-automatic iron, second one is automatic iron, and third one is a steam iron. First, non-automatic iron. There is no provision for cooling or regulating temperature. It requires a switching off manually when the iron is too hot and switching on when the temperature is less than required value. Second one is automatic iron. It is used a thermostat to control the temperature, and the third one is a steam iron. It consists of water reservoir on the cover plate and a steam chamber above the base plate. The construction of non-automatic electrical iron. Shown in the figure from downward to upward, first one is a shawl plate, second one is a mica insulation, third heating element, asbestos sheet, pressure plate, heel plate, top cover, handle, sleeve and power cord. And we can discuss about one by one component of electrical iron. First one is base plate. It is made from chromium. The heating element is placed over the base plate. Second is a heating element. It is made from nichrome wire and it is fitted between the two sheets of mica. So it will not make contact with metal body. Third, terminal. The end of the heating element are connected with the three terminals. And then asbestos sheet. The asbestos sheet is provided above the heating element to prevent the develop in the element traveling upward due to conduction and radiation. It is connected with base plate through two bolts. So the heating element is fitted properly between them. And next, pressure plate. It is made from cast iron. It is placed above asbestos sheet. Its main function is to keep the heating element firmly against the base plate. Then supply cord and 3-pin plug. The heating element is connected with supply by means of supply cord and 3-pin plug. Then indicating lamp. It is used to indicate whether the iron is on or off. And then handle. The handle is made from bakelite. It offers high resistance to flow of the current. The indicator lamp and power socket is fixed in the handle. Its main function is to carry the iron. Then second type of electrical iron is automatic electrical iron. Some cloth like cotton require a high temperature and some cloth like silk require a low temperature. So it is necessary to control the temperature of electrical iron. For that purpose, the thermostat switch is used in electrical iron to get the required temperature. This type of electrical iron is known as the automatic electrical iron. It is connected in series with the heating element and placed above the pressure plate. Function of thermostat. The thermostat is one type of switch which operates automatically when the temperature exceeds its set value. It means it controls the temperature and protects the heating element from overheating. It consisting of a two strip shown in the figure. First one is a fixed strip. It is made metal having a fixed contact. It generally in contact with a movable contact of a bimetallic strip. Second one is a bimetallic strip. Bimetallic strip is made from two different metals having a different temperature coefficient like brass and iron. It consisting of movable contacts. Various types of faults occur in the electrical iron and their causes are shown in the table. First one is iron does not on. Their causes is power off, open electrical cord, faulty thermostat, fuse blown and heating element open. The second fault is not properly heat. Causes is low supply voltage, improper setting of thermostat, loose connection. Third fault, fuse blown out when switch on. Their causes is earth fault, electrical cord shorted, heating element is shorted at terminal. Fourth fault, shock when touching to the body, open earth wire, high earth resistance, and fifth and last one is too much heat, improper setting of thermostat and faulty thermostat. And the next domestic appliance we can study in the next video lecture.